In this video, I'm going to go over a really simple mistake you're going to want to avoid making when working with pivot tables. In this data set, I've got dates, vendors, and amounts. And my dates go from 2024 all the way until 2025. Now, the problem is my pivot table is only broken out by months. And so when I look at January, I might assume that includes values for 1 month. However, if I open that up to see what's in there, I can see values for both January 2024 and January 2025. This is an easy mistake to make, especially when you're updating a table and including values for a new year. If you haven't broken out by a year, you could be including amounts for multiple months. To fix this, go to your pivot table and add the years grouping so that your pivot table is separated out by month and year. You'll want to put this field above your months breakdown just to ensure you see the year and then the month. This way, you can be sure you're only looking at 1 month even if you have multiple years in your data set.